My chickens go crazy for homemade fermented feed. This is one of their favorite parts of the day. Fermenting their grain makes it more digestible, boosts nutrition, and even helps reduce waste in the coop. I have a very small flock of 3 sweet chickens, so my ferment bin is quite small. After I scoop what they'll eat, I just top up the bucket with more grains and water. I try to keep the grains covered by a ½ inch to 1 inch of water. There's no need to clean the bin each time, and this process keeps the good bacteria going. And just like that, we have happy hens, healthy eggs, and 0 waste. It's totally worth the extra step, and the girls love it. And Cooper, he's in there too.